Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pull down a leaning tree by throwing a rope over it. So this tree is leaning. What we're going to do is throw a rope around it and then pull it down. So let's go take a look. The first step is to throw the rope over one of the limbs on the tree. So we have a weight on the end of this lightweight rope that we've thrown over and then lower down the other end by shaking the rope. Then you can grab onto it and hold both ends of the rope so that you will be able to firmly pull on this rope to pull down this tree. So you can see here we're lowering this and then grab onto the other end so that we can pull this tree down. Feel free to hit that like button, bell icon, and subscribe button to stay tuned to future videos on How To Video Channel. All right, get ready. We're going to give this tree a big tug, and it's coming down. Let's check that out from another angle. That's it. Pretty simple. That is how to pull down a tree that is leaning using a rope. So if you have a leaning tree, throw a rope around it, get another person, and give it a good tug. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. Thank you.